Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best car sticky pad is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any modern vehicle, designed to keep your belongings securely in place without the need for adhesives or permanent fixtures, transforming your driving experience by eliminating distractions and ensuring peace of mind on every journey, whether you're navigating bumpy roads or making sudden stops. This innovative solution offers a simple yet effective way to manage your essentials, from smartphones and sunglasses to loose change and GPS devices, preventing them from sliding around and potentially causing hazards or damage. Number 5. AZXYI Sticky Adhesive Replacement Kit. This pack includes 6 clear adhesive pads, perfect for replacing the sticky discs on your dashboard phone mount. They are designed to be discreet and won't alter the appearance of your mount. Achieve a strong bond by cleaning and drying the surface before application. For best results, allow 24 hours for the adhesive to set after sticking. You can easily cut these pads to any size you need. They are compatible with a wide range of suction cup mounts, including those for phones, GPS devices, and cameras. Application is straightforward. Simply peel off the white film and attach the adhesive to your mount's base or directly to the suction cup. Next, remove the red film and firmly press the mount onto your car's dashboard or windshield. Remember to wait 24 hours before use for maximum adhesion. These high-strength adhesives create a durable bond almost instantly. They are resistant to heat and moisture, and can be removed cleanly without leaving residue. What we like. If you need a replacement for your existing suction cup mounts, this is a great option. It comes with multiple clear adhesive pads that you can even cut to size. The high bond strength ensures a secure attachment for your phone holder or GPS. What people say. Very, very sturdy, very sticky. This is exactly what I need. Great, super sticky. So far holds up in the heat, which was my problem with my old mount. Extremely sticky, strong hold, but not for extremely heavy items. Number 4. Traceless Super Sticky Gel Pads. Introducing our revolutionary sticky gel pads, designed to keep your belongings securely in place without leaving any residue. These versatile pads are perfect for everyday use in your car, home, or office. Worried about sticky residues? Our advanced gel pads ensure a strong hold that won't damage your surfaces. Protect your walls, phones, and furniture with confidence. Experience ultimate convenience with these ultra-durable and user-friendly pads. Simply peel and stick for a secure hold, and remove them effortlessly when needed. Ensure the surface is clean and flat for best results. These pads are designed for longevity. Made from high-quality PU nano gel, they are washable and reusable, maintaining their stickiness even after multiple uses. Save money and reduce waste with this eco-friendly solution. Declutter your life with these multi-purpose pads. Use them as a secure car mount for your devices, or organize small items like remotes, keys, and glasses in your kitchen, bathroom, or office. Each pack contains 10 clear pads, measuring 75x 64 mm x 3 mm. You can easily cut them into smaller pieces to fit any item or surface, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. What we like. For those who value versatility and reusability, this is the one to consider. Its washable and reusable nature means you can use it countless times without losing stickiness. Plus, it leaves no residue, making it perfect for renters or those who frequently change their car's interior setup. What people say. Exceptional grip. These gel pads are incredibly effective at holding objects in place. Whether it's my phone, GPS, or other items, they stick securely to various surfaces without slipping. I'm impressed with how tight and solid the hold is, even when placed on vertical or angled surfaces. Easy removal and washability. If they get dirty or lose their stickiness, a quick wash with water restores their effectiveness. This feature ensures they remain useful and long-lasting. Traceless design. The pads leave no residue or marks on surfaces when removed. This is a huge plus for anyone concerned about damaging their surfaces or having to deal with sticky residues. Number 3. Sticky Dash Pad, 4-pack, Car Dashboard Mat. Tired of items sliding around your car? Introducing our Sticky Dash Pad, designed to keep your essentials securely in place, no matter the journey. This versatile mat isn't just for your dashboard. Use it on your desk, in a kitchen, or office to keep small items organized and within reach. Made from advanced PU gel, it's resistant to extreme temperatures and can be washed and reused thousands of times. Simply rinse with water when dirty, and its stickiness returns when dry. Experience a strong, anti-slip grip that protects your devices from bumps and sudden stops. It's removable without leaving any residue, keeping both your phone and dashboard safe. Simply stick it to any smooth surface, press firmly, and place your items. It's incredibly easy to use and keeps everything secure, offering great convenience. Get a pack of 4 durable and reusable pads. Their larger size offers more coverage, and they can even be cut to fit smaller spaces, making them a fantastic assistant for your life. What we like. If you're looking for a durable solution that can withstand varying temperatures, this product is ideal. Its heat resistance and traceless removal make it a reliable choice for keeping your dashboard tidy. The larger size also offers more surface area for securing multiple items. What people say. It holds my phone securely on the dashboard, even on bumpy roads. The pad is easy to clean and doesn't leave any residue on the dashboard. It's great for keeping my sunglasses from sliding around. Number 2. Bysameyee 5-pack Anti-Slide Dash Pad. Tired of your phone or radar detector sliding around? This mat uses a special silicone gel to hold your items securely in place, no adhesive needed. Simply lay it flat on your dashboard, even on curved surfaces. It sticks without any glue, tape, or brackets, and removes cleanly without leaving residue. If it gets dirty, just wash it with soap and water. Once dry, it's ready to use again, just like new. It's perfect for most radar detectors and also great for holding your GPS, phone, keys, coins, and more. To ensure longevity, avoid prolonged exposure to direct hot sun. It's best to keep it in a shaded area when not in use. Avoid placing irreplaceable items on it. What we like. This is the perfect choice if you need a secure spot for larger or heavier items like radar detectors. Its extra thick PU silicone gel provides a strong grip without any adhesive, making it safe for your dashboard. If you prioritize a no-fuss, direct placement solution, this mat is for you. What people say. I have been using the same one for 2 years so far and it is still fine. I keep it on my center console and it is easy to stick my phone to it for viewing maps. After a while it gets dusty and less sticky, but once I wash it with dish soap and air dry it is as good as new again. Monitor never moved. Also used 2 in our RV, one to hold a small trash can in our RV and another to hold a toilet bowl brush holder in the RV. We went over some real rough roads and both never moved. These things are incredibly sticky. Wash them thoroughly when or if they lose their stick. Sometimes it happens on the top side when there's a lot of dust. Dry them properly, ensuring that the towel doesn't leave any fibers on the surface. Once dried, it will stick like glue, and be difficult to peel off. Number 1. SlipToGrip Anti-Slip Sticky Mat, 6-pack. Introducing our versatile sticky gel pads, designed to keep your items secure. They work perfectly as a phone mat, car pad, or even a phone grip. Don't let bumpy rides damage your belongings. Our pads provide a stable surface whether you're in a car, on a boat, or even on a plane. We've improved our design to be thicker and wider, giving you more space and better protection. Enjoy long-lasting security for your items. Keeping them clean is simple. Just use rubbing alcohol to remove dust and debris. Please avoid exposing them to extreme heat. As a registered brand, we prioritize your experience. We listen to your needs to ensure you receive trusted, high-quality products. What we like. Consider this if you need a robust and spacious mat for various vehicles or even boats and planes. Its thicker and wider design offers superior grip and protection for your belongings on any surface. If you appreciate a product built for durability and broad application, this is a solid pick. What people say. The mats have become a versatile addition to my toolkit, as they can be easily cut and attached to the back of various objects for increased adhesion. They even provide anti-vibration resistance and work well as spacers. The phones used to slide around the car on a sharp turn. These mats have made an unusable dash spot very usable. They do not move once set on the mat and easily come off with no residue or stickiness on the devices. These pads are good value and certainly stick well to most vinyl dashboard surfaces. They do the job of holding phone in place at speed and on bumpy roads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.